Hello guys, welcome back to this series of HTML language. In this video, we will learn about HTML paragraphs. So, we will learn how to write paragraph in a web page. So, let's start together. So, we create our file, Sublime file. Let's register our file. Yeah, paragraph.html. The extension must be always .html. Let's write the basic structure of HTML file. Here, paragraph examples. So in HTML, a paragraph always starts on a new line, and usually it's a block of text. So how to write a paragraph in HTML? By using the tag P. So first thing, we will write P. This is the tag P. After, we will write our sentences. For example, this is my first paragraph in HTML. We close our paragraph. Let's write another one, copy it. This is my second, for example. My third paragraph in HTML. So here we have three different paragraphs. Let's execute and see the result. The result is as follows. We have the first paragraph, the second, and this is the third. So to write paragraph, we have to use the tag P. For example, now let's try to write a long paragraph. Here I will copy some text. Here also. It's not important the meaning, just to try how to display the paragraph or actualize. So this is the paragraph here, this is the second, and this is the third. There is another tag that we use often in HTML. It's the HTML horizontal rules. So there is a tag that we call HR tags that define a thematic break in HTML page. So here it's used to separate content in HTML. Let's, for example, we have here the first paragraph. Here we will just add HR. Here also HR. Just 2 times is enough. We actualize. We have here the first paragraph. After we have the second paragraph, they are separated with a break. Okay, so we have here, if you want to separate paragraphs or another elements by horizontal rule, you have to use the tag HR. As you can see here, everything in your page will be based on tags. Now, there is something else also in paragraph that we use too much. It's the BR tags. It's a line breaks. For example, I want to write a break after this word, a new line. After this word, I will come here, I will write BR. After here, for example, BR. I will just try it in the first paragraph and see the result. You can see here we have a new line. After this, we have a new line. After contain, we have another new line. So if you need to go back to new line, you have to use the tag BR inside the paragraph or inside a title or subtitle, whatever. This is what you need to know about paragraph in HTML. I hope you understand this lesson. Please leave me a comment if you didn't understand something, or if you have any suggestion, and do not forget to subscribe to our lesson to be notified for the next video. Thank you so much, and see you in next video.